Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable Edge Panel on Samsung Mobile. Samsung phone has amazing feature that is Edge Panel. If you use a Samsung Mobile, then you will be able to enable this feature. To learn it, watch the full video. And also if you face any problem then please comment on this video. I will reply your comment as soon as possible. So, let's jump into the video. First of all, you have to open your mobile settings. Then scroll down and find out display. Then tap on display option. From here you have to scroll down a little bit. Then you will see an option called Edge Panels. Tap on it. Then tap on this toggle to enable it. Then you will see a white line at the edge of your display. Slide it to the left to open it. Here you will get all a feature of Edge Panel. That's all for today. Goodbye.